Hello. In this video, we will learn about typecasting in Python. What is typecasting? Typecasting forces Python to view a value as another data type. And something important to know is that the numerical value of true is 1 and the numerical value of false is 0. None is a special keyword in Python, it's an empty value. So here are some examples of typecasting. So the first example, int parentheses and inside the parentheses 2, that returns 2 because we are basically just converting an integer into an integer, but it's already an integer, so we're just going to have 2 returned. Here we convert the integer 6 to a float, so we get 6.0. Here we're converting an float into an integer, and then we get 3. You may be wondering why we don't get 4 because it's 3.7, and you might think that we're rounding up, but actually Python will round down to the nearest whole number. Here we have float and then true and then 1.0. So like we discussed before, the numerical value of true is 1, so the float of this is 1.0. Int false, that's 0, already said over here. Bool none, we get false. This is a very special case that you should remember. Bool 0 is also false. This is another special case that you should also know. And the last example, bool 4.6, and then if this code is run, we get true. So any non-zero value is true. This is a good picture that illustrates typecasting. So as you can see, we have a float over here that's 6.2, and we want to make it an integer. So Python does this typecast, and our returned value is 6. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.